There is only one company in the entire world that can keep scorpions out of your home permanently with a one-time installation of a physical barrier that gets placed on the bottom of your home, the entire perimeter of the home, and the interior of the garages. This product is not like any other product. If you've got scorpions, you've just about tried everything from pest control, pesticide treatments, to home sealing, and now this new paint-on epoxy. All of these things are just not fully effective. The only thing that is effective is making it impossible for a scorpion and many other pests to contact the physical structure of the home. You see, once a scorpion gets on the home, there's many entry points on the home that they can slip through and get into the home. Scorpions cannot climb smooth surfaces. It's impossible. The only way a scorpion gets into the house is by climbing onto it. They don't fly, they don't jump, and they don't dig. The Pest Border Eco is a solid border that gets placed on the bottom of the home. It is physically impossible for a scorpion to grab a hold of it and climb onto the home. If a scorpion can't climb onto a home, they can't get into a home. If you look closely on the very bottom of this house, you'll see a strip that is the same color as the home, placed on what we call the stem wall, which is the concrete rise from the foundation to the stucco. Where the foundation, the stem wall, meets the stucco, there is a footing, a metal footing, and it runs around the entire perimeter of the home. And if you look closely, you'll see openings there, circular openings. Those are called weep holes. That's your first entry point for scorpions and many other pests. And notice, the border is beneath it. There is no way a scorpion can enter the home with the border installed on it. End your scorpion problems. Visit us at www.pestborders.com or give us a call. Thank you.